1-year mark of the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, one thing is evident. Crime is on the rise in several major U.S. cities, including Detroit. Thursday, Police Chief James Craig spoke at a Board of Police Commissioners roundtable about how the pandemic has impacted crime and the police department's ability to fight it.
At one point during 2020, we were ravaged by COVID. We had at one point roughly 650 members of our department that were quarantined. Since the start of the pandemic, we have, myself included, have had 500 who have tested positive.
The toll the pandemic has taken on mental health, the stay-at-home orders in place during the height of the pandemic.
Loss of job, dealing with this unknown enemy. And then it translates into how disputes were handled. What we do know that a good majority of our disputes were argument-based. And so some were acquaintance and some just someone that had a dispute with someone on a public street.
An increase in gun violence and an increase in domestic abuse. The Wayne County Prosecutor's Office handled more than 10,000 domestic violence cases in 2020.
The abused are now being forced to spend 24/7 with their abuser. The kids are not in school. People have lost their jobs.
Community and spiritual leaders are discussing ways they can work together to curb the violence.
I don't think there's one solid answer, one solid solution to this issue, but I think it's going to take several entities working together, coming together, communicating, sitting at the table, and finding ways that we can constructively find something positive that can help make a difference.
Camille Amiri,